Switching from ADFS to Keycloak can feel like a daunting task, but it doesn't have to be. In this video, we'll walk through the entire migration process, ensuring a smooth transition while maximizing security and efficiency. Whether you're a seasoned IT professional or new to IAM, you'll find valuable insights here. First, let's install Keycloak on your server. You can download the latest version from their official website. Once downloaded, extract the files and navigate to the bin directory. Here, you'll run the standalone sh script to start the server. Remember to check the console output for any errors or warnings. Next, we need to create a realm in Keycloak. Think of realms as isolated environments for your applications and users. To do this, log into the Keycloak admin console. Navigate to the master realm, then C.L.I.CK on add realm. Give your new realm a name and save it. This setup allows you to manage different sets of users and applications independently. Finally, let's migrate your existing ADFS users to Keycloak. One effective method is using SCIM, System for Cross-Domain Identity Management. Enable SCIM in Keycloak by going to the User Federation settings and adding a new SCIM provider. Configure the necessary details, such as the base URL and credentials. This setup will synchronize your ADFS users with Keycloak, ensuring a seamless transition without manual data entry. In summary, we covered installing Keycloak, setting up realms, and migrating users via SCIM. These steps form the foundation of a successful migration from ADFS to Keycloak. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. Drop your questions in the comments. I read every one. See you in the next video.